Okay, so we're done with the one side, and I found out that we could do a full depth of cut. The machine will handle it with the slow bed feed, and we're doing about 250 thou depth of cut and about a 20 thousandths chip load because we have the two motors doing their job separately. So I just want to show you guys that if you convert your machine to have separate motors, then you can take pretty heavy cuts fairly easily. We're going to do a 250 thou depth of cut. Alright, just got to do quarter crank here. So I'm doing about a quarter turn. That'll be about 20-25 thousandths depth of cut. And it's not a problem. And it doesn't take too long. We'll get through this in about 20 minutes.